I'm gonna show you guys a really good one I like a lot. So today I have to, well, I had signed up for this class for work for respiratory failure at 2 o'clock. It's like 2 to 4. I don't think I'm gonna go just because I'm really in like my zen mode right now. I really feel good and like relaxed. Today's leg day at the gym, which is my favorite day. And I'll get there by probably like noon. It's like 11:30 now. I'll get there by like 12:30. Probably won't start my workout till like closer to 1. And my leg days take like 2 hours. No way that I would make it in time. Sorry. Do you guys do that? Like whenever I hear a really good part of a song, no matter what I'm doing, I'll stop everything I'm doing and sing it. Even like at work, if I have an AirPod in charting and stuff, or if I'm like spiking a bag while I'm listening to music, I'll stop and like sing my part and then I'll keep going. That's such a human thing. I don't know. Ooh, journal prompt. Make a list of just simple like human things that make you happy. So, for example, me is like music. Like I'll stop whatever I'm doing and sing and then keep going. Another thing I like, is, so whenever I go out to eat and I'm talking to someone, I'll take this straw wrapper and I'll just like play with it while I'm talking, because I'm the type of person, I have to fidget with something. See, I did it again. I have to fidget with something like when I'm talking to people, especially when I'm facing them like directly. Something about being like a certain proximity within someone, like I don't know if it makes me nervous or just like it helps like me calm down and think when I'm fidgeting with something. So yeah, I think I'll do that today. That'd be a really good prompt. Yeah, okay, cool. So I just want to show you guys what I'm drawing. It's kind of like arbitrary, but it's, hang on, let me actually See, this is what I'm talking about, bro. I need to eat and get to the gym. This is getting ridiculous. It's just black, like Costco coffee with this marshmallow nut pod creamer. It's decent. And then this is what I always have. It's my staple before I work out. So it's 2 rice cakes, 32 grams of peanut butter, not that measurements matter, but, and then like banana and cinnamon. I'm a cinnamon fiend, let me tell you. I went to the spice store a few cities away from me. It's a tea and spice store. It's my favorite store in the world. And I got this Vietnamese cinnamon. Bro, let me put you on. It is so much richer and almost like sweeter in a way. Oh, I'll show it to you guys later, but man, and it's cloudy, but I love the rain. I don't think I can trust people who don't like the rain. I'm sorry, who doesn't like the rain? Maybe not every day, but like once in a while. And it's one of those days, like I'm so cozy. I'm just chilling at my desk drawing. Like how lucky am I to be able to do that and just sit and vibe, and it's a great day. So when we get to the gym, I'll take you through my leg day. Oh shoot. I have fire music playing, but it's not going anymore. Walmart parking lot. I love Walmart personally. I know a lot of people have stuff against it because it does draw a weird sort of crowd, but it's so good for people watching. They have so many selections of things that other people don't. Oh, here we go. The people watching begins. What was I saying? They have a lot of selections and it's cheap. And it's fun. It's fun. So we're gonna go in Walmart, and I need stuff to meal prep today. So let's get it. They have these tiny hot sauces in the stand. So I like to get like Jello, like sugar-free Jello or sugar-free pudding when I'm really craving dessert. It has a really weird aftertaste. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It has like the weirdest aftertaste ever. But it's something. It's better than getting stir crazy and crazy. Like, it's not worth it. I get the cheddar ones too. Ooh, I also want to hit up Bath and Body Works too, because they have these Bridgerton candles. Oh, here's the video. So Bath and Body Works has these Bridgerton candles. It's like a seasonal line. They're really expensive, but I just want to smell them to see if I like them or not. And then once they're done, that's pretty nice. Okay, so I got my stuff, everything I need. I'm gonna go to Bath and Body Works now because, as I said before, like I really want to try the Bridgerton candles. So we're gonna go do that. Bridgerton. I don't know. It kind of just smells like a candle from like the dollar store, to be honest. I like that. I like that a lot. It's like cookies. Okay. Wisteria Garden. Oh, it's very jasmine. This is the one I always get. It's cinnamon spice vanilla. Almost smells like a cinnamon toast crunch. Okay, this one reminds me of like Justice in 3rd grade. And it's wild berry ube. And ube is like this Japanese like yam, I think. It's very sweet. It smells like Justice though. Like that artificial like marshmallow smell. I kind of like it though. It like brings me back. This one, if you know, you know, middle school Hollister store. Dream guy, what I'd imagine in middle school smelling like mahogany teakwood. I love coming in here. Like I'm not even buying anything today, but it's like a safe place, you know what I'm saying? You can even get points for today's purchase. Some pound cake. Just download the app or ask an associate at checkout how to join. I'm very particular about like smells, especially like the dessert ones. Yeah, I like this place a lot. And the people are so nice. They're always so helpful. The people who work here are so nice and so helpful. It's a coffee one. It smells so good. You know I love coffee shops. I talk about that all the time. Okay, I'm gonna write that down. I need to make like a list of all my favorites so I can make my rounds. It smells like banana pudding. Okay, this is Calypso, the song I was talking about. That was good. I sort of forgot. I sort of forgot I bought meat and frozen stuff in the back, so it's good that I got out when I did because I don't want that shit to go bad because I just spent like cash money on it. But listen here. This is such a vibe, bro. I'm so excited to play this in the summer.
Just focus on me. Her body like a lip song. She on that black later right there.
What else? Oh shit! A 5, baby, let's get it!
Nobody does it like
There's another one hiding.
Look at you in this Audemars. Shit, fuck all these bras. Camel man speed. Want you is mine.
Harmonizing! The harmony, baby! Good.
Nobody does it like that. All you want to open this and I told myself that I'm not
Oh, I got one for you. Hold on.
You know I want you back. I want you back. This way.
Oh my gosh! You will never see me take more than the minimal amount of trips. That's all I gotta say. Check the pump. This is the pump, the push pump after. Pretty goods. Hello. I'm so sorry. So I got really hyper fixated on what I was doing and I started and I didn't turn the camera on. So I'm gonna show you. So ground beef, broccoli, ground turkey with peas. I forgot to do that one. I ran out of containers, so I had to jar them. And then I'm gonna do rice in here, like a bulk batch of rice. And then I just made turkey bacon. It's kind of burnt. Don't look at that one. Yeah. So that's to go with my eggs in the morning. I'm also getting really sick of eating smoothies or like protein shakes. I'm gonna see if I can replace that with like cottage cheese, Greek yogurt. Because I don't mind eating whole foods. I'm not picky like that. What song is this? I don't know, but I kind of like it. Yeah. We're almost done. I feel like that's good. Cool. I also want to make a cute little name tag for it. I think I'll do that later because my mom's going to be home in like 20 minutes. And if she sees the kitchen like this, she's going to have a BF. So, yeah. If you guys don't wash your rice, you see what I'm doing? If you guys don't wash your rice, shaking my head. What are you doing? Wash your rice! You gotta wash it to get all the starches and stuff off so it cooks better. And you'll know it's all good when you do this and you drain it like I've been doing and it comes out like almost clear, like not cloudy anymore. Yeah. It's so nice out. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to go outside with my friends. I'm really excited. I feel like I'm almost there. You see this? Don't judge me. My lid was on the ground. I do a lot of stuff on the ground. And then you just press rice. Oops, cancel. Start. Rice. Start. And then you just wait. It's, oh, I think I got that for Christmas like last year or 2 years ago. Best gift ever. If you need a gift to give your friend, I think it was only like 80 bucks. 80 bucks, which is not bad considering how often I use it, and it's so practical. I love practical gifts that I actually end up using every day. Instant Pot. You should get it. I'm gonna weigh this and put it in my containers. I told you I do a lot of stuff in the ground. It's a bit like sticky. There's 7 of each type of meat, so I'm gonna have food for the week. I don't know. What are we even doing? What is even life? Oh, the top. Oh. People making Vietnamese street food and it's so satisfying. That's how I'm trying to be. Do we have the resources for that yet? No. Look at that steam. See, that's how hot it is, bro. You see it? What was I saying? Yeah, my goal is to make like one of those Vietnamese like street food videos, but with meal prep. Once I have the resources to do that, I will. But in the meantime, I'm loving this. This is kind of a vibe. This is bliss. Cool. This is a muscle mommy's bliss. It's so nice out. I'm gonna sit and journal and eat for a little. People probably don't believe me when I say I really do this. Yeah. Ooh. Last night, don't even get me started. Today's a new day, shall we? I just mixed everything up, put some orange chicken, GQ's sugar-free marinade on it, some honey sriracha. We're kicking. I like to pray before I eat, so I'm gonna just... I did it. I did it. Somebody in the comments about to be like, oh, you gotta eat them up here, you gotta eat them down here. Nah. I don't know. The food's getting into my mouth, so I must be doing something right.